Welcome to our podcast, and today we about to discuss the benefits of e-money. And I'm not alone here. I'm with Mr. Raja and Mr. Sandeva and Mr. Fatih.
Hey,
Hi,
I'm Mr. Fatih.
I am Samantha. What's up, guys? Nadia here.
All right, you get ready to talk about the benefits of e-money?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's begin. Moving to the first segment, what exactly is e-money? And I'm gonna ask Mr. Radia first. Mr. Radia, what do you think about e-money?
Alright. I think e-money is basically digital cash or electronic health. Instead of holding physical banknotes, your money exists in apps like Kopay, OVO, Dana, Apple Pay, or Google Wallet, or even debit card with NFC.
All right, moving to Mr. Sandeva. Mr. Sandeva, what about you?
And it's based by real money. When you top up 100,000 rupiah, there is exactly 100,000 rupiah stored digitally.
All right, moving on to next, Mr. Fatih.
Yeah, about e-money. Most importantly, it's a design for fast, small everyday transactions. Things like food, transportation, shopping, and online payments. Like, are you using Gojek or Grab? Or are you using Shopee or Tokopedia or TikTok Shop maybe? That's it.
All right, so e-money is literally the currency we use every day, bro. All right, so moving on to the segment 2. This is what real meat begins, bro. We'll be talking about the benefits or the convenience of digital payment over the traditional money. So I will start from Mr. Fatih. Mr. Fatih,
For me?
Yes.
Yeah, the convenience. Not to mention how easy it's for public transport. You know, public transport like Pierce in Yogyakarta is like Trans Jogja. You know Trans Jogja?
Yeah, bro, I know.
Yeah. Or like
Go there, bro.
trains in the we call KRL.
Yeah.
Or when you move to Surabaya or anything you want, use a car, family car. You will use toll road, tap, beep, and go.
All right. And moving on to the next, Mr. Radia, what about you?
I think when we have e-money, we don't need to carry cash in my pocket. The coins are deal with change on one tap and done.
All right. Mr. Sandeva, what about you?
Like in 24 per 6 per 7, you don't need to find an ATM. You don't need cash availability. Even it is might make transaction still work.
Alright, so to wrap it up, the digital payment really makes everything frictionless. You don't have to open your wallet and searching for your money. You just scan the QR code and done. You can do anything else with that time. Well, it's not a really big amount of time, but it's useful, I know.
And you will use a card in your pocket. That's
Yeah,
it.
card in your pocket. Alright, so moving on to the next segment is speed and benefit. We're not talking about the streamer iShow speed. We're talking about the time we save when we use digital payment.
Shoo!
Starting from Mr. Fatih.
Shoo! Okay, just kidding, guys. So, speed and efficiency of e-money. Traditional cash requires giving the money, wait for the change, and checking if correct or not. But when we use e-money, it will eliminate of all that. So that's so efficient.
Alright, efficiency, right?
Yes, of course.
And we're moving on to Mr. Sandeva.
Okay, even online shopping becomes extremely efficient. Payment confirmation instant.
Alright, we're moving on to the next, Mr. Radia.
Business benefit too. Queries move faster and transactions are automatically recorded, reducing human error. For example, about 10 decades ago, in tollway we need to buy ticket by physical, and now we just use our e-money to tap in the toll gate, so it faster and efficient.
And the average payment with digital payment is completed under 3 seconds. That insane compared to those traditional money. And you have to open your wallet and checking if you have the money or not. And if not to mention if you don't get money and you have to borrow it somewhere, then that's will be a massive amount of time you could use that for another activities you want. Alright, so moving on to the next segment. A lot of people think cash is safer than digital money because the money is in your hands, but actually,
Cash is least secure. Why? If you lose it, it will gone forever. No backup, no recovery, and you will broke and you will cry in your room.
Correct. E-money has multiple layer of protection. First, it's PIN. Second, biometric like fingerprint or Face ID. Third, encryption. Four, two-factor authentication. 5, instant freeze if lost.
Also, digital payments leave transaction record. So, if someone steals your phone, they still can access your e-wallet without verification.
That's very good.
and if suspicious activity is detected, the provider can block the account immediately. Alright, so moving on to the next segment, segment 5, we'll be talking about the financial tracking of your spending. And if we are using the traditional money, we'll be spending a lot more than using digital money. Why is that so, Mr. Fatih?
Yeah, some apps is show graphs, chart, and monthly summaries. It makes financial literacy easier.
Alright.
Radia,
I think e-money automatically record everything. You see how much you spend, where you spend it, what time, and what category for your spend. So it's more efficient and more easy to know for we spend money for what.
Right? It's basically a built-in budgeting system. You can see patterns like, oh, I spent too much on the food this week.
yeah, that's right, true.
Right.
Okay, so the summary is the digital payment can track your spending, so you can be saving much more than using traditional money. Alright, moving on to segment 6, we'll be talking about the real reason we use digital payment is the promo, discounts, and vouchers. Is it right, Mr. Fatih?
Of course, that's right. One of the benefit of using e-money, I like it, is promo, cashback, discount, or a vouchers. Right, everyone?
Yes,
right,
very right.
Of course,
That's so good for me.
and for all of us, of course.
Of course.
It's the talk. E-money companies compete for user, so they offer benefit like 10% cashback, discount transfer rights, special online deals, exclusive voucher for food delivery.
Yes, if you're smart, you can save thousand monthly just from promos. And for young people like me and like we can save our money for many things.
For eating less chicken, maybe.
Yes,
Yeah.
or something like that.
The promo, discount, and voucher really saving us, especially young people, from spending too much because we'll be using that for saving for discounts. Alright, so we're gonna have to end our discussion here because the sky is getting dark and we have to pray Maghrib, of course. So for the last segment, we are gonna talk about the biggest benefits of e-money for all of you guys. starting from Radia.
I think tracking expense, it really changes how you see money.
Alright. Sendeva?
Okay, convenience life becomes simpler.
Simpler, alright. And last, Fatih?
Speed.
Speed.
Not ISO speed.
Alright,
Speed
alright.
in paying in seconds in a speed.
Alright, so the speeds, convenience, the tracking span, and for me, maybe the discounts, so I can save a lot of money and use it for different stuff. And that sums up our discussion today. Thank you for hearing our podcast. I hope this podcast will enlighten you guys with the topic we're talking now. And I hope we meet again, maybe someday, or I don't know. So thank you a lot for hearing our podcast.
See you guys.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, see you guys.
Thank you.
We have to
Don't
pray.
forget to